Alright, so today we're testing the Kawasaki KLX140. L stands for large wheels. So here's some of the features on the KLX140L. It's got a 144cc engine. It's got a 5-speed gearbox with a manual clutch, which is easy to operate by young riders if they're moving up from an auto clutch model. It's got a push-button electric start, and it's got a stop-start switch on the left side of the handlebars. The aluminium swing arm on the KLX140, which offers both lightweight and increased strength, just like its big brothers, the KX machines. Another really cool feature about the KLX140, it comes with RK XL aluminium rims that are lightweight. Most play bikes feature drum and disc combinations. The KLX140 has disc brakes front and rear. The front disc brake is 220mm diameter and the rear wheel is 186 diameter. The front forks have spring rate and dampening settings, making them adjustable, and the shock has fully adjustable preload with 4-way compression dampening and with 22-way rebound dampening, making the suspension fully adjustable. This is a nice compromise between the smaller kids' bikes and the full-size machines. For what it looks like, it's an awesome bike. I really like it. Like, if you're just starting out on the bush and you just want to start riding, perfect bike because it's so mellow and it doesn't have a lot of bottom end. It's got a little bit of top end, but not a lot. But it's super easy to ride. Gears are easy to shift. Starting it was so much better without kick-starting it. You just press the button, it just starts. It's like a dream. The brakes are really nice. Like, you can come into corners and you can pull the brakes on and they just slow you up. Not immediately, but they pull you up as quick as you need to pull up for the bush, which is, I found, which is really cool. You can slide into corners and you can go around them pretty quick, but you know, still have your same balance. So it was really good fun. Yeah, the suspension was really nice. It was a little bit soft for what I like, but it's good for what we're riding now. Just going up a little bit of hills, going over a little bit of logs, it took its track that it was going on. It wasn't going off because of this suspension, because it wasn't, like, you know, bouncing up. The thing that I love most about this bike was probably the power, with how easy it was to just roll on the throttle, and the power was just so smooth throughout the engine. I'd recommend this bike to someone about my height or someone a little bit shorter because it's a great bike to start out in the bush on. So the look of the bike looks pretty factory. With stock stand, it looks awesome. I really like it. So these bikes have been around for a while now. They're bulletproof and they're very low maintenance. So with Christmas just around the corner, Kawasaki have got a great deal with $400 off. So get your mum and dad to go get you one.
For all your insurance needs, visit swaniinsurance.com.au.